Oh, hey there, guys. Glad you could tune in. Dr. Dave and the Minions here for, guess what? Another Cairn unboxing. Oh, unbagging. Come on, guys. We want the boxes back. I realize it's saving you postage, but we really, really love the boxes. Unbagging just doesn't sound the same at all. No, but, all right. So the November Cairn bag, membership bag. Yeah, it just doesn't roll off the tongue right. You going to open this up for me, little girl? My little savage girl here with her unicorn shirt on. Oh, her unicorn shirt is actually one of those things where it's like those pillows you can buy where you push the sequins different ways. And well, here I am just looking like I'm playing with my no-no zone. But you can push the sequins in different ways, and it makes different pictures. And it's a really cool shirt. But the bad thing is it's right on her upper body, and so only she's allowed to touch them sequins. You see the axe behind me? Anybody else touches my little girl's sequins, I will Yellowstone you. We'll take you to the train station. All right, she's got it open. That way will stop me from talking more. All right, let's dump this sucker out and see what we got.
Hey, there is a box.
There's a small box inside. Oh, that's cool. All right, I'll show it to you in a second. You can't see it, but first, we are finally seeing the new outside branding. So far, we've been wondering about the branding for these boxes because Cairn was absorbed by outside media. And you're out of screen, girl. There we go. They like seeing bags. That's right. They like seeing you better than me. And so you be sure to stay in screen. All right, so let's open up the little paper here. But yeah, we're finally seeing outside branding. Honestly, I expected that it would change to boxes once the branding came through, but apparently not yet anyway. They probably have a bunch of bags they're trying to get rid of. Excuse me. Sorry, just a little cough. It's not the Rona. All right, so the first thing, I actually had one of these before, or my wife did, and she never would let me play with it. And so now I've got one of my own. Do you guys know what this is?
It's yours?
Well, I paid for
thought it was mine.
No, I paid for these bags. Bags, I said it right. All right, so it's a Lucci solar inflatable light, and let's just tear into this thing.
How is it inflatable?
You blow it up. You blow it up. It's like a little balloon.
What?
I'm going to destroy this packaging here. Look at this. This is awesome. And see, so you let the air out, and so you can store it in your backpack super light. And basically, when you get to wherever you're going, this one's really sticky because it's new. But look, I accidentally activated it just messing with it. There we go. All right, so power button. Oh, yeah. That is awesome. Oh. And that's for, if you need to, I don't know, why would you need this part? Like, Daddy, you need to go out and pee, and you don't want to go out and play with the bears by yourself. All right, and so this is really awesome. It's got a, it's even got a power thing. My old one did not have that, so if you hit the power button, it'll tell you how much power you've got. That is awesome. And so you hang it up outside at your tent. During the day, it charges, and you inflate it and hang it. You can hang it up or down. And just hang it in the tent. It's awesome. That's nice. I like that. All right, so let's see what else. Okay, so I've been telling Cairn for a very long time that they should always have food in a package. Always, some kind of food. I love trail food, but, let's be honest, I like any kind of food, but especially trail food. Trail food is awesome because it's gotten me through a great many adventures and many lunches and snacks as well. So here we have from Scratch Labs. Scratch Labs, we have the crispy rice cake, chocolate and mallow. You know what that means?
Can I eat it?
They left off the marsh, but it's got some mallow. That looks awesome. And the picture shows it, like when you pull it apart, it's all gooey. I don't know if it'll be beard friendly, but I'm willing to chance it. I gotta be honest, I'm willing to chance it. To use, it's got instructions. Eat when hungry. Don't if you're not. Repeat if necessary. Cool, I'm looking forward to trying this. I have tried a lot of other products from Scratch Labs, some of their endurance stuff, and I like it. The flavors are usually really awesome, and this 190 calories, and so that's not bad because Cliff Bars are usually about twice that. And so this would be actually a great smaller snack for you guys, wouldn't it? That's if I let you eat it. Yeah.
Wait, that means it's not.
Well, we'll see. We'll see. All right, so the next thing and the third thing, I felt this through the bag, and I thought it might be a T-shirt or something, but we've got a Nomadics hand towel. Nomadics hand towel, and so.
And it's different.
Well, that is a big hand towel. I could dry my whole furry body with that thing.
Now
There we
we have
go.
to wash it again.
Yeah, so that's a Nomadix hand towel. That's pretty cool though. That's pretty light. Pretty light. All right, so let's check these suckers out. All right, so say what?
I'm a ghost now.
You're a ghost. You're a multicolored Nomadix ghost. Oh look, I just found out for that. It's got a little hook to hang.
You want to know something?
Yeah. Yes, sir. What?
We don't have a sticker.
Oh, come on, Cairn.
Oh.
Cairn. All right, Cairn. I really don't think you're watching my videos because for a solid year now we've been asking for what, guys?
Stickers.
Stickers. Cairn used to put stickers in every box, and every box had the Cairn logo, and it had a different colored background. And so
It also had a box.
well, it also had a box. Yeah, these kids are upset they don't have boxes because I give them the boxes. We reuse them and they put toys and stuff in them. And so they used to send us stickers, and we had a whole line of stickers going up the side of the back van window. And no more stickers, though. Come on, guys. All right, so the Empowered Lucci Outdoor 2.0 solar lantern, and yeah, 2.0 because it's got a few more features than the old one had. A Nomadix multi-purpose recycled hand towel, great for yoga. You guys do yoga?
No.
We don't do yoga here. We
Wait,
do
wait.
stretch. Don't get me wrong. We do a lot of
We-
flexibility training,
yeah.
but
What is yoga?
yeah, exactly. Yoga is when people take stretching and add fancy names to it and charge more for it. Yeah. So we do lots of flexibility stuff here with the kids. Matter of fact, we just finished doing some kettlebell workout and our regular morning outdoor workout. All right. So yeah, I like this towel. This is actually pretty big for a hand towel too. So if you're trying to go ultralight backpacking or something, this would make a great body towel. Although if you're going super ultralight, you just drip dry or run through the woods. Bears chasing you and stuff. All right, then we got the scratch labs. Yeah, all right, guys, let's see if there's anything else cool in here. No, nothing else. Oh, there is an article on ultralight hiking, and so that's cool. And a quote: "I see my path, but I don't know where it leads. Not knowing where I'm going is what inspires me." She's coughing too. I promise it's not the Rona. We've got allergies and stuff where we've been working on the farm. Mowing the grass and everything.
Usually, Dad,
Right.
there's also a saying over here. But guess
Oh,
what? The
yeah.
saying's going on the bag.
Yeah, with the boxes, so, the Cairn boxes, you open it up, and right on the inside is a nice quote or something. It's really cool. And so, actually, when we reused those boxes, you have to read the quote very often. So, please, Cairn, keep the boxes, bring the boxes back, and return the what?
Stickers.
Stickers.
And sayings. Be sure to say.
Yeah, some good quotes on the things. So we do enjoy the the bag. So don't get me wrong, we do enjoy the stuff you sent us this time. Some good stuff, and we got some food. But we just, we need some of the things that might be the cheapest for you to put in the box are the things that really make us happy. The food, the stickers, and keep sending us some good variety on the stuff. All right, that's the November Cairn bag. Hope you enjoyed this review. Y'all go ahead and say goodbye or hello if you haven't said it.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello.
Or
Bye.
don't. All right, y'all take care. We'll see you next month for another one.